Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to join you guys from my kitchen with another recipe, and this is my most favorite one. Also, every time I have a guest over or the kids' friend comes over, I make this, and once they try it, they always request that can you make this next time when we come. So it's so easy to make, so yummy, and that is Mexican Bhel. You can serve it for the party or you can serve it individual. It's so easy to make, so let's go ahead and start. To make Mexican Bhel, we need flour tortilla, and for that I'm using this Mission brand. You can use any brand that you like. I just like this one because it's very soft. So I'm gonna take about a couple of them and make very thin strips out of it. You want to make sure it's very thin so that way when you deep fry them, it will get really crunchy. So first I'm gonna cut it lengthwise and then cut it in the middle just to make sure it's bite size. So you can do this step ahead of time, and actually, you can munch on it just like that because it tastes really yummy. So after cutting all of them, I'm gonna go ahead and deep fry them. And this is what it looks like once I cut all of them. And when you deep fry them, you want to make sure the temperature is on medium high. And once you drop it in there, you want to leave it alone and do not go and toss them, because if you do that they will not get crunchy. So you want to leave them alone, and within a few minutes you will see that it's getting golden brown, and that time you can go and make sure it's cooked from all the sides. And this is what it looks like, but you want to make sure it's cooled down completely before you start adding all the other ingredients in there. So here I do have the pinto beans, black beans, pico de gallo, and those three recipes I have already shared in the Mexican enchilada videos, which I'm gonna link it up here as well as in the description box, so you can check those recipes out in that video. So also I do have some lettuce, green onion, sour cream, jalapenos, this pico de gallo, salsa, as well as chipotle sauce. We're gonna add some cheese and some green salsa also. Green salsa you can make it at home, but this time I'm using the store-bought one. Also you can add the guacamole in this too, but nobody likes in my family, so I'm not adding it. But if you like it, you can add that also in there. That tastes really good. So now it's basically just you have to layer it one after another one, and this step you want to do it when you are ready to serve. Otherwise it will get soggy and will not taste good. You can serve this to the kids when they come home from school, and believe me friends, my kids and whoever I have served this recipe, everyone has loved it. No one has ever said for this recipe that they didn't like it, because it's so yummy, so tasty. So do try this. Only thing you just need to keep it ready is the beans and the tortilla. Other than that, all the other stuff, it's just, it doesn't take long to put it together. And again, like I say, it's so yummy. Everybody loves this. So I'm using this green salsa which I bought it from Walmart, and it says Sam's Choice. So I believe it's a Sam's brand, and that was only one was there, so I just bought that one. But that's it, you just want to layer it however you like it, and at the end you want to put more cheese, sour cream, some hot fire sauce, and some more chips on top of that. And that's it, friends. Our Mexican bhel is all ready. Please do try this recipe. I'm sure you guys will love it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.